Hello, my name is Ali Habib, mechanical engineer from Lebanon, expert in SolidWorks. Welcome to my YouTube channel, SolidWorks for Beginners tutorial. Today we will do part 9. So first of all, let's launch SolidWorks. Okay, please be careful that the dimensions here are in millimeter, gram, and second. Click on front plane, right click, normal to. This is our part 9. Like we see here, we have rectangle extrude cut, circle cut, another circle cut here, another one there. And here we have the length of this rectangle is 60 millimeter plus 68 minus 8 and minus 8. Let's see how we will draw it. First of all, let's draw this rectangle. Sketch center rectangle on the center of the X, right click, select. We have 28 by 60. Okay. Now let's draw these 3 lines. In order to do the cut, draw random 3 lines. To finally, with the dimensions, we have, for example, this line is parallel to this line, distant 10 millimeter. So here, with smart dimension, 10 millimeter. Okay. Here also we have 10 millimeter. And the height of this line is 14 millimeter. Perfect. It's fully defined. We have these lines are vertical. We have the distance, horizontal, and distance. And the third line we have the relation is vertical and distance 10 millimeter. Now let's do the extrude. Click on feature, extrude boss, and choose this surface. Switch direction. Instead of extrude 10 millimeter, we will extrude it 60 millimeter plus 68 millimeter, but be careful, this 68 millimeter are with the extrude 8 millimeter from the left and 8 millimeter from the right. So we have the distance of this surface to this surface is 68 minus 8 minus 8, so it's 52, plus 60 millimeter, so it's 112. Let's put it on the calculator. So it's 60 plus 52 millimeter, so it's 112 millimeter. So here extrude 112 millimeter. Okay, this is our part 9, so let's save it. Part 9. Now let's draw these circles with these 2 lines tangent. Rotate it, left click, normal, right click, normal to, click on sketch, line, vertical line, and then draw an arc, right click, select, draw another line like this, vertical line with the same distance, and return it again in order to do the arc. Right-click, select. Control in order to do its tangent perfect. And this circle, control, it should be tangent also in order to make it fully defined. We have the dimension here is diameter of 60 millimeter. So here, radius 30, it's correct. We have a height here of 60 millimeter from the center. So here, from the center to the line is 60 millimeter. Okay, rotated. Now it's not fully closed because we missed to draw the line here. We click on this line and click convert entities. See, now it's fully closed. Now click on, we have an extrude here of 68 minus 8 minus 8, so it's 52 millimeters. So here feature extrude, change the direction and click here 52 millimeter. Save. Now let's draw these circles. Right-click, normal to sketch, center circle, and now we have the center here. So here it's 60 millimeter. And we have the inner circle. The cut here is diameter 32. So here we have feature extrude, 8 millimeter from this side. And in the direction 2, we have 52 plus 8 millimeter from the other side. So here I type plus 8 millimeter to the other side, direction 2, click on yes, save. Perfect. Now let's draw this circle cut, right-click, normal to sketch, circle, draw a random circle like this. With dimension here, diameter of 18 millimeter. Okay, it's in the center. So center line, this is the center midpoint of this line. To the center circle, right-click, select, and this is vertical. And the dimension or the height here is 24 millimeter from the center to this line. See, now it's fully defined. Click on yes, feature, extrude cut, and through wall. Click on yes, and save. That's it. Now let's draw these two lines with this circle tangent to these two lines. We have a plane here. The distance of the height or the height of this plane is 60 millimeter from the bottom. So we can draw or we can put a plane with 60 millimeter of the bottom. See here, reference geometry, plane, rotated. It should be not 10, it should be 16 millimeter, but flip offset to flip direction. That's it. Now we can draw the sketch on this plane. right click, normal to this plane. Another time, normal to in order to see it from above. Alt, type on left, left, left arrow. Then click on sketch line. Okay, so let's draw these two lines. So here, let's draw, sketch. Like you see here, it automatically gave me the midpoint of the line. Vertical, right click, select. So we should draw it point B for construction. Diameter of inner circle 16 millimeter. Diameter of outer circle is 32. Distance is 50 millimeter here. Now draw two tangent line, for example, like this vertical line. This line control this circle tangent, and this line control this circle also tangent. Trim these two lines. You can hide this plane here. Okay, these two lines are vertical, are horizontal. Now we can trim. See, this sketch now is fully defined and closed. We have extrude here of 12 millimeter. 12 millimeter. So feature extrude. Direction up. 12 millimeter. Click on save. Now we have these two same circles with an extrude of 24 millimeter. Left click, right click, normal to. So I click here on this circle, sketch, convert entities, and here also convert this circle from this center to this line. Now we can click on feature, extrude boss, then change direction, and we have here a height of 24 millimeter. So here I type 24 millimeter, click on save. Perfect. That's it. We have to draw this final triangle. This triangle is in the mid plane of these two faces. So I click on reference geometric, this face and this face, click on yes. Right click, normal to, click on sketch. this line vertical to this line, and this line here tangent to this circle. Left click to this line, control this circle and click on tangent. Then this line convert entity, and this line convert entity, and this also circle convert entity in order to close the sketch and do the trim. Drag it. Perfect. Now it's fully defined and closed. Let's hide the plane for a better vision. It's in the mid feature extrude. We can choose here mid plane and an extrude of 8 millimeter of mid plane. Here instead of 24, we type 8. Perfect. So here an error because we have merge result. We remove merge result and click on yes. That's it. To better close it, see here there's a gap. To close it, click on this face, sketch, convert entities, feature, extrude boss, line. Here we choose up to surface and we choose this surface. Click on yes, perfect. Now it's fully closed like we see here. First of all, you click on part 9, this circle, the color. Let's choose this one. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, SolidWorks for beginners, part 9. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you for watching.